You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour? Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey too. It's pleasure talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas either.
Something's very wrong here.
Oh, just relax. Let's go with it, dog. Do me a favor, will you?
A favor?
Y'all give me some water in the worst way. Look at my branch, darling. I'm a gardener. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Little lady night.
I just want water, right?
You are drinking straight.
Branch run dry.
No black, no white.
Okay, I'll get the can.
Look alive.
Here we go.
I think it's summertime. Relax, baby. All we need is you. You're sticking on here.
Audrey, no! Get off of her! Get off of her! Are you all right?
Yes. No?
No. Don't die, Audrey. Please don't die. I need you.
No? The plant said the strangest thing just then. He said that Oren and Mr. Mushnik were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
The saps made it so big and strong and you so famous.
I've done terrible things. But not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, I want you to feed me to the plant so we can live and grow to bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
Audrey, you don't know what you're talking
But I
about.
do. It's the one gift that I can give you. Because if I'm in the plant, then I'm a part of the plant. And that way, we'll always be together. You wash my tender leaves. You smell my sweet perfume. You water